Coaches and consultants, listen up. If you have a coaching program or you're thinking about starting a coaching program, but you keep struggling with results, impact, transformation, then this is for you. My name is LaShauna West. I'm a business therapist and I help entrepreneurs pinpoint the mindset blocks that are stopping them from scaling. What does this have to do with the coaching program? I'm so glad you asked. We are in our own way. We hold ourselves back so many times. And a lot of times, even when we have coaching programs, we assume that things are perfect, transformation's happening, until your clients are dropping like flies, or they're not even showing up to the calls, or they're not even looking at the content. That can be so frustrating. So I want to help you to learn how to infuse a strategic approach to increase results, raving reviews, and returning clients. Click the link in my bio because on November 16th, I'm having a 2-hour intensive to teach you how to create a transformative coaching approach in your coaching program so you can make the true impact and transformation that you were here to make. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you guys on November 16th. All right? Talk soon.